grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Nächster Halt, St. Goar. Bitte in Fahrtrichtung links aussteigen.
Take me where your river flows. I wanna drive on your open road like the wilderness where we are born singing whoa. There's an ocean in your eyes, a million stars that paint the sky. So we'll drift out with the tide singing whoa.
Hello all you wonderful people out there, welcome to Germaican Experience. My name is Gabi.
And it's the Chris representing Jamaica here in Cologne or Köln, Germany. It was like what, 3.5 hours with the train, and we came with the
Fourth largest city in Germany with about 1 million inhabitants. And especially come to see here the Kölner Dom.
That's one of the many things we come to see. We already had breakfast. So we put a little picture of the breakfast here.
Today was a little bit bleaky finally after so many days of hot and all 38 degrees and even 40 we had one time.
Yeah, it was really
It's just
cloudy.
crazy. Water shortage, the rivers are really down with water and everything.
Yeah, so this is the first sunshine of the day, and I am happy. You're not so happy
I like overcast and I need some rain.
because it was cool. But I was like saying the sun looks better for the camera because it's still summer. Like, share, subscribe, and comment down below.
Subscribe, yeah, very important. Yeah, so many people watch our videos and I'm really grateful for that. But it doesn't hurt to press a button and just subscribe to our
Yeah,
channel. It
guys,
doesn't
join the
cost one
family.
thing.
It's free.
And it helps us.
And it helps us a lot to keep the videos going and all. Anyway, guys, so let's show you where we are. So this is our view right now. And we're sitting at this fountain. Look at mommy, she's looking so yummy.
Yes.
Hey, red fits her for real.
Like a yellow house there. But we can see Kölner Dom, guys.
Yeah.
Especially from inside, I can't wait to go inside.
That should be interesting. But this is an interesting void.
Very old town.
We could have
All
done
the
something like
Romans used to live here, imagine.
Roma. So, mommy, what's the plan?
Ja, gucken wir mal nach Wasser.
We're looking for the river as usual, guys. You know us well. We're always looking for a river somehow. But we heard that they're all dried out, so let's see. Interesting orange building. Navi. This reminds me a little bit of Rüdesheim.
Ja.
This was like a small street going
Ja,
on.
das war die typischen Altstädte, so eng und
Let's see if a Jamaican flag upon this. No kind Jamaican flag on this, guys. Oh man.
I guess you have to pay one extra.
Exactly, you said it. It smells interesting. What is this? Kartoffelpuffer. It's like my nose.
Yeah.
Got me full. But that smells really nice.
One of my favorite cartoons.
Okay, this building now, mommy, look different. Them one, yeah. Yeah. They like paint. Just like thick.
Aber hier ist dünner. Jetzt denke ich eher ein bisschen Bavaria im Haxenhaus. Pork Knuckle.
Pork knuckle. Knuckle.
Das ist das Specialty hier, hier so. Haben die denn alle?
Kölsch.
Ja, Kölsch vegan later. That's the beer in the area here.
Special kind of beer, different from the rest of Germany.
Yeah, different glasses and so. Now here, as long as you don't put the deckle on top of the glass, they always will pull it top on.
Yeah, so you have to cover your beer here or else you'll
Get
always be refilled.
Called beer deckle. I don't know what is a beer deckle in English.
Beer cover.
Oh, Blue Lagoon. Vodka, Blue Curacao. Ja, aber das ist typisch deutsche Küche, also nichts bayerisch.
And they all. But wow, this seems brighter. Like this river seems wider than Frankfurt, no? Although Frankfurt
Yeah,
wide.
but maybe some parts of Frankfurt in between maybe white too, oder?
No,
But
this,
they look nice.
this one, look.
Still has water.
Look, this seems wider to me. That's why they said this is the main source of
The shipping
transportation.
industry is a big problem because remember when we came down here, we saw many spots also where there hardly was no water, so the ships can't go through like those
Yeah,
here.
the big ships cannot go through
They
the river
carry stuff.
anymore. So now that means they have to use smaller ships and things come slower and later.
Yeah.
But I feel like this right now is wider than the mine, at least where, you know, we showed you guys as well the mine in that one video. I'm sure certain other parts of the mine is wide as well. Like it.
Wo wir langlaufen.
Oh, it's nice here. Oh, so cute. So guys, by the way, this river that we are at now is called Rhine. So where we're from in Frankfurt, it's the Rhine. Okay, let's continue on a bit. So cute, this gazebo. Can do a lot of things here and nighttime decorated. But nice if we had some lights here. Ah guys, this is the St. Martin Church. From the
Now
sign
we
here.
found out what. What do not here? This way?
That's 17 euro price. God, I saw something for 65
Yeah,
euro.
but this, it's expensive for steak. Steak is also
65?
expensive.
The
Yeah,
other one was 17.
but it's not typisch Köln. We need something typical Cologne.
Yes. Mommy, tell them what we are going to eat later, which is typical Cologne.
I don't know that in Sauerbraten, rheinischer Sauerbraten, whatever that would be. That my entire life I have eaten that. I always thought something sour is like, ugh. But I will try to find it today and see what happens.
I mean, we will try and find it today.
Das hat eine halbe Hahn und das ist like a Brötchen, bread roll. There's a big slice of cheese and I believe some onion on top.
I mean, ears.
But people always think also it's a half chicken because halbe Hahn. Them speak dialect here.
Alright, so we're going to see if we can find that later, guys. So stay tuned for the Cologne specialties, because every part of Germany, I guess, kind of have their own specialties. So Mama say, like she said, we're going to try some new things. So she wouldn't even try nowhere else. More
Because
steak.
I would say bear. But today I gotta be brave. Yeah, because I have colleagues that always say, oh, this is so nice and you have to eat that. And I'm like, oh.
Okay, you scared me. I don't know if I want to try it.
Yeah, because I don't know. I don't really have a clue. It's sour, but I heard like they also put raisin in there. So it must be some kind of sour sweet taste. We will find out.
Is this sand? No, it's just the grass dry till it look like sand. Guys,
Let's try.
no rain, no fall in Germany since how long? So it's so dry that the first time it was sand.
Badly needs orange, desperately.
Wow, that's crazy. Oh, that's a sweet looking house up there with the flowers. Yeah. Vielleicht ist so eine Wand.
Jetzt reicht's.
I'm tired already, guys. So guys, did you just see what happened? We were about to walk across and these security men, they stopped us and said don't go there on that square because over there is like a music theater. So there's signs everywhere saying if you walk too close to it, you might make some noise and all. So
We are
Yeah.
so quiet, we don't make noise.
the guy really like frightened us here, but alright guys.
Could I say it little friendlier, oder?
Yeah, I tell you, you must be tired if you say it every day, every time.
Because the children, man, always.
So guys, this is the dome. We're getting closer and closer to the Kölner Dome.
Catholic.
We already saw it this morning from the other end, but we didn't start filming officially yet. So now we're taking another, we came from the next side now, so also interesting. We didn't see it from this side this morning, right? Wow. What a piece of building, so majestic.
Museum Ludwig. Wieder woanders. So guys, this is the dome from the front. Wow, it doesn't stop, it doesn't stop. Wait. So high. I don't know if you like can tell detail on this thing. Let me try and zoom up a little bit. Maybe I'll tell that detail, guys. It's crazy.
So my mom just said something like it's the most visited tourist attraction here in Cologne, and you can just tell, look at the amount of people here. So we went and we did the biggest, baddest thing in Cologne. We're gonna try and get inside now. It should be interesting. Let's see how that goes.